How to remove or disable restricted mode on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, as you tap on your profile, select on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen again. You have the option of settings and privacy, so select on that. As you select on Settings and Privacy, scroll down and under Content and Display category, you can see the option of Content Preferences. So select on that. As you select on Content Preferences, you can see the option of Restricted Mode. So select on that, and as you tap on Restricted Mode, here you can get the option of turn off the restricted mode. So simply select on Turn Off, and here you can just do whatever option that it gives and then tap on Submit. And there you go, you have removed or disabled restricted mode on TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.